So bank passbook of Brahma Industries showed a credit balance of 27,350 on July 31st. The following difference were found on that date: the cash book and the passbook he gave. Checks issued before 31st. So before going for that, we'll find out what is the balance he gave. He gave bank passbook. So he's talking about which book, ma? Bank passbook. So that means he gave balance
Passbook.
as, yeah, that means he gave balance as per which book?
Passbook.
Yes, he gave balance as per passbook. So whatever the balance is in
Passbook.
my hand, only that I'll try to correct it, no? So now he
Yes.
gave me balance as per passbook means obviously I'm correcting which book now?
Passbook.
Passbook.
Passbook only. So when I'm correcting a passbook, my proof book will be what?
Cash book.
Cash book.
Yes. So balance as per passbook. So how
Cash.
much he gave?
Passbook.
How much he gave?
97,350.
27,350, no?
27,
97,
350.
350.
Okay. So that means I'm correcting my passbook. So my proof book will be my cash book. So whatever is there in the cash
Cash
book,
book.
I will keep it. And whichever is the thing is not there, I'll simply go for cancelling it. So that is what will follow here. Now, the first transaction in this part, he is telling what, ma? The
Check.
checks issued before July 31st amounting to rupees 19,000 had not been presented for a payment, he said. Now you tell me, checks issued means what is the nature of it and where will be the first effect?
Payment.
Payment,
First
ma'am.
effect in cash book. Credit side.
Credit
Yes.
side.
So it is a payment and the first effect always will be in the cash book, right? So the
Cash book.
Cash book.
transaction was
Credits.
seen here. The transaction was seen here. Now, for me, which is important book? Cash book. Now, when the transaction is in the
Cash
cash
book.
book, then what I have to do? Simply, I should also take it or cancel it.
Take it.
Take it. Now, I am going to take. Now, I have two options: add or a less. Now, you tell me which one I have to take. 19th is standing on which sign?
Less.
Less. So, I'll
Less.
go
Less.
for less. 19 is standing at a minus sign. So that's why I'll also go take it at a less sign only. So checks issued but not presented
Presented.
as per
For pay.
passbook. That is 19,000. Now go to the
1,000.
next one. Two checks,
Two
rupees
checks.
5,000 and 3,500 were deposited into bank on July 31st, but the bank gives credit for the same in August, it seems. We are in the month of what?
July.
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 So everything should be related to the July. That's it. August will not consider. So here he said two checks were deposited, he said. So two checks were deposited means what, ma?
Receipt.
Receipt.
Nature of receipt.
Yes,
Receipt.
it's a
First
nature
effect.
of
First
receipt.
Cash.
effect.
First effect will be?
First effect in cash book.
Cash book.
Debit side.
Yes,
Debit
yes,
side.
right, right. So here the 5,000 one check and next 3,500 another check, both were seen on the receipt side of a cash book. But these were posted in the passbook in the month of August it seems. But I am concerned only with what? July.
July.
So this
July.
was obviously not there in the passbook. And for me, which is important book?
Cash book.
Cash book.
So cash book is showing a
Cash book.
transaction or not?
Yes,
Yes.
Yes.
ma'am.
So when it is showing, simply I should also
Take it.
Take it.
take it. So that's what here I'm going to write as checks
Checks.
deposited
Visited.
as per. I'll make everything very simple. So cash book,
Cash
that's it.
book.
Cash book.
So together I'm adding 8,500.
8,500.
100.
That's it. Now go on to the next transaction. Insurance premium directly paid by bank, he said. Insurance premium directly paid by bank. Insurance premium paid directly by bank. So I'll pick only two words. Paid by bank. So by bank ante which book, Nana?
Passbook.
Passbook. Paid అనగానే what is the transaction?
Passbook.
Insurance
Payment.
premium paid. Paid.
Pay-
Payment. So how much? 5,000 was paid, seen in the passbook. So it was nowhere seen in the cash book itself. But for me, which is important book?
Cash
Cash
book.
book.
Now cash book is showing this 5,000 ma payment side?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
So when it is not showing, how come I'm going to take it in the passbook? So what I'll do it? When it is
Passbook.
not here, I'll go for
Cancel.
cancel. So
Cancel.
cancellation will be on the opposite side. So opposite అనగానే ఏ సైన్ వచ్చేసింది ఇప్పుడు?
Plus
Add.
sign.
Plus sign. So I'll go for it addition part. So what we are going to write? Insurance premium. Insurance premium paid seen only in passbook. Like this I'm going to
Passbook.
take. So how much amount? 5,000.
5,000.
5,000.
Done. Next, last one. 2,000 wrongly debited to the firm account by bank. Prepare reconciliation statement is it. So 2,000 wrongly debited by bank అన్నాడు. ఏ సైడ్ అని చెప్పాడు? డెబిట్ సైడ్ అంట. ఏ బుక్ అని చెప్పాడు? ఎవరిది ఈ మిస్టేక్ చేశారన్నాడు? బై బ్యాంక్
Passbook.
అంటే ఆబ్వియస్లీ పాస్బుక్. అండ్ విచ్ సైడ్ హీ సైడ్?
Debit side.
Debit side. So 2,000 was seen here in this one. So it is right or wrong, I'm not least bothered, I said, is it there in my proof book or not? I'm only concerned with that. So just check 2,000 is seen in the cash book, ma? Cash book is
No,
my
ma'am.
proof book, but it's not
No,
seen.
ma'am.
Yes.
So when my cash book is not showing, should
Cancel.
that be present in another book?
No.
No. So what
No,
will go for?
cancel.
Cancellation. So cancellation,
Cancel.
I'll post it on the opposite side. So opposite
Opposite
side కి
side.
వచ్చేసరికి ఏ సైన్ వచ్చేసింది?
Plus
Add.
sign.
Add sign. So that's why I'll also go for adding it. So what we are going to write
Add.
here? Yeah. What we are going to write here, ma? A wrong debit seen in passbook. So how much is the amount? 2,000. Add chain, Nana. So it will be, I think, 15,500.
15,500, ma'am.
So మొత్తం యాడ్ చేస్తే ఎంత? 850 వస్తుంది. 42 850 అంతేనా?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so ఇది పెట్టేసాను. Now let me draw the lines first. So this is the total of it, and then here it will be సో ఇది ఆబ్వియస్గా ఇక్కడ టోటల్ ఎంత వస్తుందమ్మా? మైనస్ 19,000 అవుతుంది. సో 19,000 మైనస్ చేస్తే ఎంత నాన్న? చూడండి, 850 అలాగే ఉంటుంది. 12 minus 9 is equal
23,850,
to
ma'am.
23,850. So what we are going to call now, these become equal to which balance now? Balance as
As
per,
per cash book.
because passbook నుంచి ఈక్వల్ ఏ బుక్ అయిపోయింది? క్యాష్ బుక్ అయిపోయింది. ఓకే
Cash
then?
book. Yes, ma'am.
So that's it. Now we'll move on to the next sum. So next sum ఏది? Prepare bank reconciliation statement as on 31st March 2015. On this date, passbook of Nupur Industries showed a balance of 27,500 అన్నారు. సో ఇది కూడా ఫేవరబుల్ బ్యాలెన్స్ కాబట్టి here bank reconciliation statement as on 31st March అన్నారు కదా, March 2015. So what we are going to write here, particular amount. So this is again we are going to have a replicas. So plus here, and this is my cash book, and here it is minus. Passbook, and this is plus. Okay, so here again, what is the balance he gave? He gave as per balance as per passbook ఇచ్చాడు ఇక్కడ కూడా. సో ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు నాన్న? He gave us 27,500. So here add, and here it is less. Okay, done. So shall we start now?
Yes, ma'am.
Checks 14,000 directly deposited by customer అన్నాడు. So usually every time we come across saying that checks deposited means, I always say deposited means it's a nature of a receipt, and first posting always
First
will be in the cash book.
Cash
This is
book
what I
debit
always
side.
say, right? But here it is slight different. What he said, read carefully. Checks deposited, he said it's fine. But what he's saying, it was deposited directly by the customer. So when directly customer is depositing, obviously where he will deposit, ma? If he has to give me, he need not use the word direct, no. Obviously he has to come to me. So when he's saying directly means somewhere instead of giving me, he is depositing somewhere else ane kada ardham. So where it is, he is depositing
ma'am.
directly.
Bank.
Yeah. So here he is depositing directly into the bank ani ardham. So that is what here he is trying to say. So here what is the thing, ma? We are depositing, the customer is directly depositing into the bank itself. Now here the balance as per passbook means, again for me my proof book will be what? My cash book. But whereas this one, whatever he is talking about, directly deposited by the customer, it was actually seen in which book itself? It was seen in the passbook. So I'll tell you once
Passbook.
again. Checks deposited means usually, generally I say it is receipt, and first default effect will be in the cash book. But here, whatever I say, I'm just changing that one. Why? Because it is a deposited, it is a receipt. But instead, the customer, instead of giving me, he directly deposited means he directly went and deposited into the bank. So when he deposited into the bank, obviously bank balance will increase, not my balance. So that's why I have shown 14,000 in the passbook on the receipt side. Is this clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
But which is my proof book now?
Cash book.
My cash book. And in my cash book, the transaction is not seen. The cash book, my transaction is
Yes,
not seen. So what we are going to do, when my cash book is not showing, should that be present in other book? Should that be
No.
present
ma'am.
in the other book? No, it should not be present in
ma'am.
the other book. So what we are going to do it now, simply we'll go for
Cancel it.
cancelling it. So cancellation means what we are going to do on the
Opposite side.
opposite side. So what is the sign it's carrying now?
Minus.
Yes, minus or a less. So what we are going to say here, checks deposited directly by customer into bank. So amount is how much? 14,000. 1000. Now move to the next one. Checks of rupees 13,500 were issued during the month of March, but of these, checks of rupees 1,500 were not presented by the end of the March, he said. Now first we'll go with the nature. Checks issued means what?
Payment.
Payment. And the default first effect will be always in the
Cash book credit side.
cash book credit side. So total posting was this much, ma. Total posting was this much. But here what is saying, here we have shown everything. We have shown everything in the passbook also. But except 1,500 itself. Except 1,500. Except 1,500 means 1,300 నుంచి 1,500 minus చేస్తే ఎంత?
12,000.
12,000 was in the payment side. So 1,500 was not there. Now I'll go with the rule. Which one is my proof book? Which one is my proof book?
Cash book.
Cash book. See, I have ticked here. Cash book. So cash book is showing a payment how much?
13,500.
But here it is only.
12,000.
So what I have to do? Will I add or will I minus to make 13,500?
Minus.
Yeah, minus.
లోపల ఏముంది మేడం?
What we are going to do it? So see here,
Minus.
everyone listen carefully. 13,500 was the answer. So my cash book showed me 13,500. So when my cash book means which is my proof book is showing 13,500 annappudu, here also it should be how much? 13,500. So what I'm going to do? The extra 1,500 I'm going to add here. So when I'm adding, now I have posted here. So post చేసినప్పుడు I'll just look at the sign. Which side I have posted 15. So I posted on which side? Minus sign. So that's why
Minus.
I'll also go for what now? I'll also go for
Minus.
minusing that. So minus చేస్తేనే
Minus.
అది ప్లస్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. అందుకే I'll go for minusing it. So what we are going to write? Checks issued but not presented in passbook. Issued but not presented in passbook. Okay, understand? So amount is how much? Only 1,500. Then next, a bank collected 2,500 as a dividend on a share. So bank collected, I have said two words, charge ani untundi, collected ani untundi. So charge means what? It's a expenditure, and collected means what? It is a collected means what? It is a receipt. No, nobody is answering. Collected
Yes,
means
ma'am.
what? It is a receipt. So the transaction was seen 2,500 here. So obviously when it is in the passbook means it's not in the cash book ani kada ardham. Now for me, which is important book again?
Cash book.
Cash book is not showing. So when my cash book is not showing, here it should not be present. So what we'll do then? We'll go for
Cancel.
cancel. So
Cancel.
this amount I'm going to make it as a cancel here. So when I am cancelling it, what is happening? What is the sign?
Minus.
Minus. So I'll also go for minusing that one. So what we'll do here? We'll say as dividend collected by bank seen only in passbook. So that means it is 2,500. Now last one. Checks 17,500 were paid into bank, but only 8,500 were realized in the month of April itself. So paid into bank means what is the nature, ma? Paid into bank means what is the nature? Paid into bank, sent to bank, collected, deposited into bank. All are of nature of what? Paid into bank, paid into bank, sent to bank, deposited into bank అంటే నేచర్ ఏంటి అని అడుగుతున్నాను. See the first point. It's all a what? It's all a
Receipt.
receipt. It's all a receipt. So receipt and here first posting will be where?
Cash book.
So the cash book was showing total 17,500 here for me. But in my passbook, the total amount was seen except 8,500. Except 8,500 లేదంట నా passbook లో. Now, which is my proof book now? Which is my proof
Cash
book? Cash book. Cash book is showing a total
Cash book.
amount or not? Cash book is showing a total amount or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So when it is showing, I should also take no. So 8,500
ma'am.
ఏదైతే పాస్బుక్ లో లేదన్నాడో మనం తీసుకోవాలా? We have to take it na. Now 17,500 is on which sign? What is the sign it's carrying?
Plus.
So 8,500 also should be on which sign? It should be on the plus sign. So here I'm going to write as checks deposited seen is, we are going to write as checks deposited as per cash book. So which is 8,500. 8,500 అది ఏప్రిల్లో పెట్టాడంట. So that's why what we are going to do, we are going to take like this. Now total it and tell me how much it is going to be. So here it will be as it is 8,500 ma, because only one item was there on a plus. So add చేసిన తర్వాత ఎంత వచ్చింది total? 27 plus 8 అంటే 28 plus 8 36.
36,000, ma'am.
36,000. And ఇక్కడ total ఎంత నాన్న? 14 plus 4, it will be how much? 18,000. అంతేనా? And 36 minus 18, it will be again 18,000, right? So now it became what? Equal to balance as per cash book. That's it. Just check it up. Correct kada? Everything is correct only, no? Just check it up.